welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look right here. It's actually quite easy, it's just very time consuming. So like always, I'm going to be putting everything I use down in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to take my Elmers glue stick and I'm going to glue down my eyebrow. That way when I put latex on it, the latex won't stick on it. And I already went ahead and applied my bald cap. All I did was cut the bald cap in half, and then I bobby pinned it on the top, and I just glued down the rest of it onto the side of my face. I'm also going to be putting a little bit of glue right here where my hair kind of shows, so the latex won't stick on that either. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take these oval cotton pads, I'm going to dip them in latex and then just stick them on my chest to cover up my chest. And I'm going to do about 3 or 4 on each side, and then I'll be back when I'm done with that. Alright guys, I'm back. So I ended up doing about 4 cotton pads on each side. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my liquid latex, and I'm basically going to be covering the whole left side of my body in latex, and I'm going to do it in parts. So I'm going to start off at the top. I'm going to apply some latex, and before that dries, I'm going to start putting pieces of cotton on it, and that way it gives the skin some texture and it makes it look less flat and more like burnt skin. I'm going to go ahead and do my neck last because I'm going to be bending down to do this part and I don't want it to stick. So what I'm doing here is applying latex in sections, and then I'm putting cotton over it, and then after that I'm coating it again in latex, and that way it stays in place. Alright, I'm pretty much done with that. I just need to do my neck still. But first, I'm going to take my light colorless powder and I'm going to apply it all over the cotton and latex. That way it's not as sticky and the shine goes away. So here I'm just adding a little bit more cotton to my face and my head, and then I'm also going to finish up my neck and add more cotton and latex to that as well. Alright, now that I'm all done with this, I'm going to go ahead and take these fake teeth I made with polymorph plastic, and I'm going to coat one side in latex and then stick them on my mouth going this way. Now I'm going ahead and taking my Skin Illustrator FX palette, and I'm going ahead and taking the blood tone and applying spots of that randomly throughout the whole look. Now that I'm done with the blood tone, I'm going ahead and taking the aged blood tone, and I'm also applying that randomly throughout the whole look. Now taking a bigger brush, I'm going ahead and taking the burnt orange shade, and I'm using that to cover up the rest of the spots that don't have any paint on them yet. Now taking the small brush again, I'm going ahead and taking the bruise tone and applying spots of that throughout the whole look. I'm also taking the bruise tone to draw lines in between the teeth, that way they pop out a little bit more. Now I'm taking the black tone from the Skin Illustrator palette, and I'm applying a couple spots of that in there as well, and then rubbing it in with my fingers just to give it more of an ashy burnt type of look. Now I'm going ahead and taking my other Skin Illustrator palette, and I'm going ahead and using the olive adjuster tone and applying a couple spots of that in there as well. Alright, so I already went ahead and put my contact in. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Cinema Secrets Injury Stack and use the yellow tone and the red tone to color in the inside of my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the yellow tone. Alright, so the last thing I need to do is take my Cinema Secrets blood gel and my stipple sponge, and I'm going to stipple blood all over the wound. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes the video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And like I said, it's actually quite easy to do. It's just basically latex and cotton. And like always, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, this is my Instagram and this is my Twitter, so follow me if you'd like. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.